After retinal surgery, your body embarks on a journey of healing. This delicate procedure requires careful attention to ensure the best possible outcome. While the thought of recovery might seem daunting, understanding the process can empower you to take an active role. Remember, a successful recovery hinges on following your doctor's advice and prioritizing your well-being. This is a time for patience and self-care. Your eye has undergone a significant procedure and it needs time to mend. By following the recommended steps, you're giving your body the best chance to heal properly. Think of this as an opportunity to slow down, listen to your body, and focus on your recovery. Your doctor will provide specific instructions tailored to your situation, but some general steps are common after retinal surgery. Firstly, it's crucial to protect your eye. This might involve wearing an eye patch or shield, especially during sleep, to prevent accidental rubbing or pressure. Secondly, eye drops are your new best friend. These prescribed drops are vital for preventing infection and reducing inflammation. Thirdly, avoid activities that could strain your eye. This includes reading, watching television, and using computers for prolonged periods. Your doctor will guide you on when it's safe to resume these activities gradually. Lastly, avoid strenuous activities, heavy lifting and bending over. These actions can increase pressure in your eye, potentially disrupting the healing process. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in recovery. Focus on nutrient-rich foods that support healing, such as fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Staying well hydrated is equally important, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. While it's tempting to reach for sugary treats or salty snacks, try to limit these as they can hinder the healing process. Your doctor will advise you on specific physical activity restrictions. Generally, avoid activities that could cause jarring movements or impact your eye. Gentle walks are usually fine, but always consult your doctor before resuming any exercise routine. Remember, this is not the time to push your limits. Follow-up appointments with your doctor are essential. These checkups allow your doctor to monitor your healing progress, adjust medications if needed, and address any concerns you might have. Don't hesitate to ask questions or discuss any discomfort you're experiencing. Your doctor is there to support you throughout your recovery journey. It's normal to experience some discomfort, such as mild pain, itching, or a foreign body sensation in your eye. Your doctor can recommend appropriate pain relief options if needed. Vision changes, such as blurriness or floaters, are also common after surgery and usually improve gradually. However, if you experience sudden vision loss, severe pain, or any other concerning symptoms, contact your doctor immediately.